In this video we are going to draw an object on our chart for the opening period. You can't see it right now, but once the time on our computer reaches 10:30 in the morning, you should see it on your chart. I will try to speed things up a little bit here. And here is the object, so let's find out how to draw that with MQL4. To get started, please click on the little icon here or press F4 on your keyboard. Now you should see the Metaeditor window, and here you want to click on File, New File, Expert Advisor from Template, Continue. I will call this file Simple Chart Object, click on Continue, Continue and Finish. Now you can delete everything above the onTick function. And let's also delete the two command lines here. We will start with a string variable that is called end of opening period. That will contain this string. It stands for 9:30 in the morning. Let's calculate the current time. That is done by using time local. We pass time underscore seconds as a parameter. And the built-in function time to string will convert this datetime type to a string variable called current time. And afterwards we can use a function that is called string find. It will open the string current time and it will look for the string end of opening period. Remember, this is the string here. And the result will be stored into this integer variable, and it will be -1 whenever the string is not found. I would like to draw an object that includes the highest of the last 30 candles. So I use iHighest for the current symbol on the chart and the currently selected period on that chart. This parameter mode underscore high must be written all in capital letters. And we want to have the highest of the last 30 candles starting with candle 0. Let's repeat the whole process for the lowest candle. That is pretty similar. This time we use iLowest for the current currency pair on the chart and the currently selected period on that chart. This time we use mode underscore low. And this one is also for 30 candles starting with the current candle 0. Let's add an output on the chart. I will do that by using the command statement, and this will output the text current time followed by the current time that we have calculated here. And once a day we should see that it is 9:30. And that is the case when end of opening period found is not equal to -1. And then we want to use object delete, the object with the name rectangle. That will not exist the very first time, but we destroy the old object from the day before. And afterwards we can create a new object with the same name. The object type is obj rectangle in this case. If you mark this expression and press F1, you will see that there are also a lot of other objects. For example, you could use something like a label or a button. All those objects have different parameter settings. In our case, this parameter stands for the current main chart. This is the time value for the current candle 0. We want our object to be drawn from the highest candle to the lowest candle. And in this parameter, we define that we want to have it for 30 candles. Let's close this one. And we are almost done. Well, if this was too fast for you, or if you don't know what all the code here does, maybe you want to watch one of the other videos in this basic video series first. Or maybe you are even interested in the premium course. You can find that one on our website. For now, please click on the compile button or press F7 on your keyboard. I don't see any errors here, and if that is the case, you can click on a little button here or press F4 to go back to Metatrader. And in Metatrader you can click on View, Strategy Tester or press Ctrl and R. Please pick the new file simplechartobject.ex4. Mark the visual mode here and start a test. Here we are. It's 9 in the morning. We should see the rectangle in a few seconds, exactly now. And here it is. So in this little video you have learned how to draw an object directly on the chart, and you have coded it yourself with a few lines of MQL4 code.